Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kabugo Peter. This is Learn Luganda channel where we learn Luganda, how to write Luganda, how to speak Luganda, and how to communicate using a real Luganda. Basically, the videos we have on this channel are for those who are willing and yearning to learn Luganda, who are learning to communicate in Luganda, who are willing to learn how to write, how to speak in Luganda. So, if you are yearning to learn Luganda, this is the right place you have to be. This is the place you need to sit down and watch the videos. When you finish up this video, you are free to rewatch it again, or you check our channel and see and watch other videos. And for your information, if you need to learn, you need to watch the whole video. You need to watch the whole video. But I'm sponsored by Curtain Home and Interiors UG. They are located at Namla Nantelelon. They have everything you can think of when it comes to design your interior, when it comes to design your inside your building. You need curtains, you need the curtain rods, you need curtain holders, you need everything as far as interior designing is concerned. They have bed sheets, they have duvet, they have carpets, they have towels and everything. You can call them using the number which is scrolling down there and reach out to them. Like any other languages, for example, in Chinese, they have characters. In other languages, they have many things they use to communicate. But for us in Uganda, like English, we have vowels and consonants. So, before you learn how to write and how to speak correct Luganda, you need to have these things and you need to differentiate them and know how and when to use them. Let's look at vowels. Vowels in Luganda, they are called enjatuza, or you can call them emperezi. Those are vowels, and they are five. They are five, like in English. We have A, E, I, O, and U. But we are going to use, I'm going to be talking them using Luganda, how we pronounce them in Luganda. We have A, Y, O, and W. A, Y, O, W. They are written exactly how they are in English. Okay, just the pronunciation where the difference comes in. I've told you vowels in Luganda, we call them enjatuza or emperezi. We call them enjatuza because when you add them on consonants, that's when the consonant gets a sound, a clear sound in Luganda. For example, when you get T and you add on A, it becomes ta in Luganda. Okay? And in other videos, we are going to learn how to write these words, combining these both vowels and consonants. Okay? So, those are the consonants we have in Luganda. I mean, vowels we have in Luganda. Like I told you, consonants get their sounds basing on the vowel which is added on it. Okay? Yeah, that's how it works. The consonants get their sounds basing on the vowels which is given to it. So we have these combinations of both vowels and consonants. They are called alphabet. Like any other language, they have an alphabet where they pick letters to come up with words. Okay, so alphabet or an alphabet in Luganda, we call it walifu or walifu. You either call it walif or you call it walif. So this is the combination of both consonants and vowels. For example, in English, they have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, blah, blah, blah. And in Luganda, we also have our alphabet. But it is different from English alphabet because we have two letters from English alphabet, which is not found in Luganda alphabet. And those letters are X and Q. There is no word in Luganda which is written and you find there that word, that letter X or that letter Q. But we replace those letters with a letter called nga. Nga. So for those who are using computer keyboards, it will be hard for you to find that letter nga. It is not there unless you have these smartphones where you can install Luganda keyboard, where you can find that letter nga. But basically, some people, when they are typing, for them to make it simple, they use any gi a to get nga. But that sounds nga, not nga. Okay, so if you don't have that letter on your keyboard, you can borrow any gi a to represent nga, but it is not the right way of writing nga. Like writing crocheted crane in Luganda, we call it ngari, but you can find in some books and novels and calendars they say ngari, ngari, but that's not how it is written. Okay, like in English, we have lower cases and uppercase when we are writing in our alphabet. We have lower cases, those are the smaller letters, and we have upper cases, those are the big letters or capital letters, as we are writing in Luganda. In Luganda, we have a combination of consonants which is considered to be a letter, and those consonants are N and Y. N and Y, N and Y. It is considered to be a consonant, though there are two combinations of letters. So, consonants, we call them ensirifu. Ensirifu. Because if you don't add there any other vowel, in Luganda we consider it for not to have a sound itself. Like for example, T, ta. It is ensirifu when there is no other vowel until it gets another vowel for it to get a sound. So you get these vowels I've told you, you combine them with consonants, and then you get an alphabet. But leave alone the vowels I told you before, a, e, o, u. So now we have consonants, we call them ensirifu. So once you scrap out these 5 letters, a, e, o, u, and you remain with others, those are the consonants, ensirifu. So we have B. Okay, you can read them without putting vowels. Those are the ensirifu, consonants. Consonants. We have B, we have C, we have D. Anyway, let me say them in Luganda. We have Ba, that is B. We have Cha, that is C. We have Za, that is Z. We have Sa, that is S. We have U. U is under vowel. We have La, that is L. We have Pa, that is P. Mention them as long as you're not considering the other 5 vowels I've told you before. So now you are creating ensirifu. So in order to learn how to write Luganda, you have to first understand the things. Okay, we are going to, I've started these episodes teaching you, and I'll be bringing more people to teach you how to read Luganda easily, and understanding the laws that guides Luganda when you're writing it, speaking it, for you to make it simple and easy. Hope you find this video useful. My name is Kabuga Peter. Thank you for watching. And actually, it is better after watching this video, you rewatch it, share it to your friends, and tell them that this is where good content is found. My name is Kabuga Peter. Thank you for watching. I'm sponsored by Captain Home and Interiors YIGA. Keep on supporting, keep on subscribing. More content is coming. A good one. Ciao, ciao.